Okay, so our final demonstration for Bluetooth communication. I have downloaded the Bluetooth serial terminal for Windows. It's free on the Windows App Store. And here I have my robot, and it's not tethered to my laptop. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip the switch back so that the robot is being powered from the battery. And I want you to notice here is that the Bluetooth is blinking rapidly, which means it's not connected to any COM port. So then I come over here and DSD Tech HC-05, I am going to click connect. And it says connecting, and now it's connected. So then if I come over here to my robot, notice that the blink frequency has changed on the Bluetooth. It's slower now, and it's about 2 blinks and a 2-second delay, 2 blinks and a 2-second delay. That means that the Bluetooth is now communicating with my laptop. So if I press the 1, and I hit enter, you see that it turns the LEDs on, okay? And it says Bluetooth on and off represent the state of the LEDs. So then if I press 0, enter, it turns my LEDs off. So I'm now showing that you can send data from the laptop to the robot without it being tethered. And this would be a way for you to send commands such as driving a circle, figure 8, square, etc. Right? Now your next step is to figure out how to get data back from the robot using wireless transmission, and then if you so choose to figure out how to program the robot via wireless transmission.